Hello my dear student, lecture number 11 for CBSE board, chapter number 4 quadratic equation. In this lecture I am going to explain you question number 1 from exercise 4.3. In previous lecture I have explained you the example. Now here I give you a solution of that example. Okay, now try to understand. Let time taken by larger tab be x hours, and therefore by given condition the larger tab takes 10 hours less than the smaller tab, and therefore time taken by smaller tab is equal to x plus 10 hours. Now for smaller tab, in x plus 10 hours, smaller tab fills the full tank, and therefore in 75 upon 8 hours, smaller tab fills 75 upon 8 into 1 upon x plus 10 tank. So this is the capacity of tank. Okay. Suppose this is statement number 1. Then for larger tab, in x hours, larger tab fills the full tank, and therefore in 75 upon 8 hours, larger tab fills 78 upon 8 into 1 upon x tank. So this is the statement number 2. Now from 1 and 2, this is the capacity of what tank filled by larger tab, and this is the capacity of tank filled by smaller tank. So this plus this is equal to total tank, and from 1 and 2, 75 upon 8 into x plus 10 plus 75 upon 8x is equal to 1. Now this you simplify, and therefore equalize the denominator. My denominator is 8x into bracket x plus 10, and therefore I multiply here my x 75x plus 75x plus 750 upon 8x into bracket x plus 10 is equal to 1, and therefore 150x plus 750 is equal to 8x square plus 80x, and therefore 8x square minus 70x minus 750 is equal to 0. Now here you divide by 2, so 4x square minus 35x minus 375 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation solved by factorization method. So I split up 375 minus 375 into 4 such that subtraction is equal to 35. So this number is larger, and therefore I find, first I write the factors. So this is equal to 25 into 15 into 4, and 25 is 5 into 5 into 15 into 4, and then I adjust the what factors. So 15 into 4 60, and 5 into 5 25. So 60 minus 25 gives you 35. Okay. And therefore 4x square plus 25x minus 60x minus 375 is equal to 0. Make two groups. From this group I take x common, into bracket 4x plus 25 minus 15 into bracket 4x plus 25 is equal to 0. Now again this bracket is common. So in first bracket 4x plus 25 and in second bracket x minus 15 is equal to 0, and therefore 4x plus 25 is equal to 0 or x minus 15 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to minus 25 upon 4 or x is equal to 15. So time is not negative and therefore x is equal to 15, and hence time taken by larger tap is equal to 15 hours and time taken by smaller tap is equal to 25 hours. Okay. Now try to understand question number 10. This is an important question. An express train takes a 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. Okay. Solution. Let average speed of passenger train be x km per hour, and therefore by given condition average speed of express train is equal to x plus 11 km per hour. Now you know time is equal to distance upon speed, and therefore time taken by passenger train is equal to 132 upon x hours to travel 132 km. Time taken by passenger train to travel 132 km is equal to 132 upon x plus 11 hours. And the relation between these two times are given, and therefore by given condition express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train, and therefore 132 upon x plus 11 plus 1, this time it's smaller now, plus 1 is equal to 132 upon x. Then this you transfer on this side. So 132x minus 132 upon x plus 11 is equal to 1. Simplify this. So cross multiply 132x plus 1452 minus 132x minus x is equal to x square minus x square plus 11x, and therefore this 132x and this 132x get cancelled, and therefore x square plus 11x minus 14520 is equal 1452 is equal to 0, and therefore now this is a quadratic equation. Solve this equation. So you know how to solve this equation. So x plus 49 and x minus 33 is equal to 0. These two are factors of this, and therefore x plus 44 is equal to 0 or x minus 33 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to minus 44 and x is equal to 33. In this case x, which is the speed, is not negative, and therefore average speed of passenger train is equal to 30 km per hour, and average speed of express train is equal to 44 km per hour. Okay, now these are important examples, so go through this video again so that you understand. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.